Welcome to the Plant Farm Eat YouTube channel. Let's prepare a fluffy, smoked and tasty basmati rice based on a Middle Eastern recipe with caramelized onions, carrot, raisins and tomatoes, earthy spices and served with nuts, yogurt and a fresh salad. Use a long grain basmati rice. For the main ingredients, use 1 onion, 1 carrot, 2 tomatoes and some raisins. For the spices, you will need 7 spices mix, biryani spice mix, bay leaves, sriracha, salt and black pepper. If you don't have this, just use a mix of the spices you have available. For cooking, I'm using both olive and sunflower oil. To smoke the rice, I use a coconut charcoal. For an extra flavor and roasted nuts, I use cashews and almonds. For the finishing touches, serve with yogurt and salad. Please watch the video until the end to find out about preparation, cooking and serving. Pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a cooking pan. Soak 100 grams of raisins, dried grapes with the warm water in a bowl. Wash 2 cups of rice and soak it for 1 hour. This step releases all the starches in the rice von Bistek. Slice and chop 1 onion. Add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil and place the onion in pot to sauté. Shred the carrot. Once the onion is softened, add the carrot and saute together until caramelized. Also, drain the raisin and add it to the cooking mix. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1/4 tablespoon of pepper. Based on your taste, add the Middle Eastern 7 spices mix containing pimento, coriander, cumin, and cinnamon. Followed by adding biryani spice mix containing paprika, pimento, cinnamon, and onion powder. Add 2 bay leaves and mix the ingredients well together. Let it simmer in mid-low temperature. Remove the skin of 2 tomatoes and dice thin. Place it in the cooking mix and cook until dissolved thoroughly. Close the lid. Add sriracha or hot sauce for a chili taste. Once the mix is cooked, remove half of the mix in a side bowl for garnishing and leave the other half to cook with the rice. Add 2 cups of warm water, mix it well, and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Next, add the rice to cook for 25 minutes in a low heat. Once the rice is cooked, garnish with the vegetable mix and spread it on top. Add the roasted cashews and almonds. With the spoon, make a space in the middle for a small bowl. Burn the charcoal. Add 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil in a small bowl and place the charcoal to smoke. Close the lid and wrap it with a cloth so the smoke remains inside the pot. Serve the smoked rice with caramelized onion, carrot, and tomatoes, with fresh yogurt and salad. Try this delicious recipe and let us know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified on similar upcoming videos. Plant Farm Eat is a platform for horticulture and environmental enthusiasts, helping you maximize your time and efforts and provide you with pragmatic guides on how to plant, farm, and eat sustainably.